Looking to cut $100 off your energy bills? Duke Energy Progress's shared solar program makes it possible for you to enjoy the savings of solar power without requiring home ownership or rooftop installation. How does it work? Each month, a $12.50 program fee is added to your energy bill, subscribing you to 7 solar panels at a local solar farm in Dillon County. As these off-site solar panels generate energy from the sun, the value of this energy is credited back to your account, lowering your monthly energy bill with Duke Energy Progress. The more sunshine, the more bill credits, the lower your monthly bill. Anytime the fee outweighs the credit during less sunny months, both the fee and the credit are removed from your bill. Your annual savings add up to about $100, risk-free. No enrollment fees to get started. No solar panels to install or maintain on your property. Just simple, easy bill savings right back in your pocket. Join Shared Solar today by submitting your web enrollment form at duke-energy.com/savewithsolar. Duke Energy, building a smarter energy future.